Roborock's Qrevo Master and eufy's S1 Pro are two standout robot vacuums offering impressive features in vacuuming, navigation, and mopping. For full transparency, Roborock provided us with the Qrevo Master and eufy sent us the S1 Pro. Having tested over 90 robot vacuums, my goal is to provide you with clear, fact-based insights to help you choose the best vacuum for your needs. Links to both products are available in the video description if you're ready to explore further. Let's go ahead and dive in. The Qrevo Master delivers unmatched vacuuming power with its 10,000 pascal suction power, outperforming the eufy S1 Pro's 8,000 pascals. It also features dual all-rubber counter-rotating rollers, which excel at picking up debris and hair on a variety of surfaces. In our testing, both units had a respectable score, with the S1 Pro finishing slightly on top in measured CFM and carpet deep cleaning. The retractable side brush and the ability to lift its main brush further enhance its cleaning efficiency. Meanwhile, the eufy S1 Pro features a single rubber brush and lacks these additional enhancements, giving the Qrevo Master a clear advantage in this category. The eufy S1 Pro features a single roller mop with real-time self-cleaning. Its active water system sprays clean water onto the mopping pads, while a squeegee removes dirt into a separate tank, ideal for tackling spills and heavy messes. Roborock's Qrevo Master uses dual spinning mops at a faster 200 RPM, providing a deeper clean. Its innovative FlexiArm design allows the right side mop to extend, cleaning edges and corners more effectively. The Qrevo Master also includes hot water washing for superior stain removal, a feature missing from the eufy S1 Pro. Both models lift their mops to prevent carpet contact, with the eufy S1 Pro lifting 12 millimeters and the Qrevo Master lifting 10 millimeters. Each system offers unique strengths, catering to different mopping needs. Both the eufy S1 Pro and Roborock Qrevo Master docking stations offer auto emptying, mop washing, drying, refilling, fast charging, and large water tanks. The eufy station features an integrated touchscreen, a taller, narrower design, with EcoClean Ozone system for sanitizing floors and pads, and transparent water tanks. The Qrevo Master has intelligent dirt detection, a hot water mop washing system for better stain removal, and dock self-cleaning for easier maintenance. While both are automated and convenient, their unique features cater to different needs. Both vacuums utilize advanced LiDAR technology for efficient navigation in both bright and dark environments. The Qrevo Master relies on precise LiDAR navigation, while the eufy S1 Pro combines DTOF LiDAR with a 3D matrix eye system featuring structured light and an RGB camera. In my experience, I prefer the Roborock's LiDAR navigation, as the eufy tends to struggle with edge cleaning and often leaves a gap along walls and corners. However, eufy has an advantage in obstacle avoidance, performing better in our tests. Both brands could benefit from refining their systems further to deliver even greater obstacle detection and avoidance in future models. The Roborock Qrevo Master offers a more interactive experience with its Hello Rocky voice activation and upcoming Matter smart home integration. It also includes quiet modes for mopping, vacuuming, and auto-emptying, making it ideal for noise-sensitive users. The eufy S1 Pro lacks these features, giving the Qrevo Master a clear advantage in user interaction. Both vacuums offer quick mapping, multi-level mapping, and carpet boosts, along with suction and water level controls. However, if you're looking for custom routines and advanced features like smart no-go zones, deep carpet cleaning, and automatic pet recognition, the Roborock app excels with more customization options. The eufy app only offers two modes, vacuum and mop, or vacuum only, while Roborock provides additional modes like mop only, smart plan, and custom room cleaning. Roborock also allows real-time video calls and two-way voice interaction for monitoring pets or your home. Overall, the Roborock app is packed with high-tech features for those tech-savvy users. The Roborock Qrevo Master and eufy S1 Pro are both top-notch robotic vacuums, each with unique strengths. The Qrevo Master stands out with superior suction, FlexiArm side brush, and mop, dual spinning mops, hot water washing for tough stains, advanced navigation, and a feature-rich app with smart customization. It also offers quiet operation and voice control. The eufy S1 Pro shines with its real-time self-cleaning roller mop, ozone sterilization, better obstacle avoidance, and intuitive touchscreen for ease of use. While slightly more affordable at the time of this video, I think a lot of you out there would value the better feature set on the Roborock versus a couple extra bucks in your wallet. Let me know what you think in the comments below.